morning, guys. After a long time, I'm recording another message for the entire family called Infinity. And why exactly I'm sending this message? Because I wanted to personally talk to each one of you about this subject, right? Okay. And this is so important, so close to my heart that I decided to make a video and send it to all of you so that it can reach directly to you rather than getting diluted through uplines and other people, right? Okay. So I want to talk to you about an amazing time which is coming, which is nothing but a week on dates actually, right? Which is from 6th, 7th and 8th of September, where one of the biggest event happening in this entire world actually for this year. And this time it is different, right? Because it is the first time we are doing it week-on, actually a virtual week-on. But let me tell you guys, those who attended week-on, first to them, right? Please understand, do not consider it as if it is not as effective as before all the other week-ons were there. This is going to be more crazier, this is going to be better, and this is going to be, amazing week-on, because you will not be able to feel that you are not there in the arena, right? Because this is not just like any other training. The most important part is that you're going to see founders, right? And this, other than this opportunity, you never see the founders, right? And once in a year, you seeing the founders, listening to them, re-emphasizing the value system and the culture of the organization. Believe me, that takes your belief to the next level and business to the next level, right? Okay. So please empty your cup. Do not judge anything. Okay. Sit as a seeker. Believe me, whether you are sitting in the arena or sitting at your place, week-on will give you what you want if you are ready to receive actually, right? And why this week-on is happening after all this lockdown and everything? Because universe knows who's seeking for what. So if you're a seeker, sit in the week-on as a seeker and you will receive what exactly you were looking for, which will take your business to the next level actually, right? Okay. So this was for the people actually who already attended week-on before. Now I'm going to talk to people who are new and who never attended week-on before in their life, right? I'll tell you, week-on is a pilgrimage for our business actually, right? Okay, it's like once in a year coming together. You might be doing business very passionately. You must be having your dreams and everything. But week-on will give you something which you yourself don't know that you don't have, right? It happened with me in my first year. I had no money to go to week-on. I had no passport to go to week-on, and I was not earning money actually in my first year. My business was not growing as fast as it should be. But the moment I went to week-on, after coming back, I don't know what happened. Everything started going to the next level actually, right? And my second year, I started flying actually after week-on, right? So please understand, all the new people, guys, week-on is going to change the way you see business, and you will go to the next level actually, right? Your belief will go to the next level. You will see the founder closely. You will understand where exactly they're coming from, why they started the company, the philosophy behind, and the value system behind. You will see the company, you will see the people behind it, and your belief will go to the next level. So for you guys, understand, this is like a vaccination for not giving up on your dreams ever after this week-on, right? So do you want to take this vaccine or not? And I can guarantee you, till now you must be there in the business, right? But once you attend a week-on, business will come inside your blood actually, right? And that is when exactly the magic will happen. So guys, there is no choice but to attend all 3 days week-on. Okay, this is going to change your entire organization yourself. Now, this week-on is going to be different because we are not going to Malaysia. We are going to sit in our houses. So I want to share few things which you can do to create the similar atmosphere which we used to get from week-on, right? First of all, don't watch your week-on in laptop or small mobile, right? Okay. First of all, watch it on a TV big screen. Okay. And if possible, sit 5, 7, 10 people in one house actually together. Okay, from one team. Check the internet connection. Play it one day before as a trial actually, which will happen. Okay, and then start attending right from the beginning till end, right? With your pen and paper, with your diary, notebook for getting best of the learning, and do not miss it in between. Okay, attend it as if this is going to change your life, and you will get what you want actually from the week-on, right? So don't watch it as if you're watching a movie actually, right? Be in the zone, a seeker zone, and you will get what you want. Universe will give you what exactly you want, right? So guys, please understand, take it seriously, don't take it lightly, right? Attend from the beginning till end for all 3 days, okay? Be in the receiving zone, okay? Create an atmosphere where 5, 7, 10 people are sitting together on watching it on the big TV, okay? And also create a lighting in the house, maybe which can give you a feeling that you're in the arena, right? Okay, like I'm talking to old people, you can create that arena kind of a atmosphere wherein, you know, you can have a dim light, you can have a, you know, the disco light where the musics are there and everything is there, right? Okay, so you can do all that and you will feel that you are sitting in the VCon. And the best part about that is, you know, this is the only business wherein we all will be watching VCon, we will be witnessing VCon from different parts of the world, in different houses, in different countries actually, right? But we will cry together, we will laugh together, we will dance together, and we will be one actually, even after having this pandemic where we cannot go out of the house, right? This is not possible anywhere else, right? So guys, take it seriously. Create an atmosphere, right? Okay, for your team to attend a VCon, right? Watch it on a big television, okay? Follow all the instruction which will come from the V for registration and everything actually. You will get the video very soon, where the V will send out a video where they will explain how to register, what to do exactly, and there'll be a trial day 1 day before VCon so that you don't face any hassle before it start actually, right? Do not miss even 1 minute of VCon also, right? So attend it completely. Timing will be from 4 p.m. Malaysia time to 12 midnight Malaysia time actually, right? So it is for 8 hours. 4 p.m. till 12 midnight Malaysia time, 6th, 7th and 8th of September, okay? So guys, this can change your entire life. And this is only possible in this business when the whole world is bleeding actually. Recession is about to hit in, people are losing their jobs, they're getting a salary cut. You have an opportunity to sit at home, learn if you want to. Learn if you are seeking for a learning actually, and change your entire life in next 1 year when the world is going down actually. But it is up to you. Universe is giving you all learnings and all platforms, but you have to be in the seeker zone, okay? So don't miss anything. Old people, don't judge this VCon because this is a virtual VCon. Please come in the zone, attend VCon with 5-10 people together in a big television, right? Have a good internet connection, do all groundwork which was required to be done 1 day before at least, right? Okay, and also sit as a seeker, okay, with the team, and you will receive what you are looking for, okay? So guys, this can change your entire life. Again, I'm making this video so that everybody can understand VCon will change your life if you attend it seriously for 3 days, for 8 hours every day without missing even one session actually, right? Okay. Other than that, once the VCon finish, don't forget to do your sharing, right? Because maybe you miss something which other person received actually. While doing a sharing, okay, you will be able to share with each other and you will learn from others also, right? Because you're in the receiving zone that point of time, right? Okay, so don't be lazy that okay, it's too late, maybe we'll attend tomorrow, we'll do sharing later on. Do the sharing with all the people who are sitting together, okay? Do a sharing what you learned, share your decisions, what decision you made actually after attending everyday VCon, right? Everyday sharing, just like we do it in the real VCon when it happens physically in Malaysia, right? So don't cut any corner, give your best. Okay, don't apply your brain, okay? Empty your cup and treat this as if you are sitting in arena in Malaysia. You will receive what exactly you want, okay? Because universe is there to give you back, okay? So take it seriously, come in the zone, and VCon is going to change your next 1 year, right? Okay, so I will see you guys there in VCon, okay? On 6th, 7th and 8th of September. Guys, pull up your socks, create an atmosphere, ensure everyone attends with you, right? And we will rock it after VCon, right? Okay, you will achieve all your dreams after VCon within next 1 year, okay? So take it seriously, be like a sponge and receive everything which our founders are going to give over there, right? Thank you very much, and I love you, and I'll see you in week on.